This is Cove Edition 3, one of the latest projects by Imtiaz in Dubai land. Today, I'll walk you through the highlights of the project, show you all the features, tell about available unit types, and answer the big question: is this a smart investment? Starting with the location. The Dubai land residence complex is still a relatively undeveloped area, without any major names yet. But it is well positioned. It's just 15 to 20 minutes from downtown Dubai and around 25 minutes from Dubai Marina. The area is also surrounded by 7 universities, making it the hub for students and young professionals. In the future, a metro line will run through the neighborhooding area, adding even more convenience. Plus, you'll find nearby attractions like Global Village and the Dubai Polo Club. Now, let's focus on Cove Edition 3 itself. Imtiaz has already sold out 3 buildings in this area. The demand has been so strong that they decided to launch another one. This new project is smartly designed. It features a ground floor lobby, 3 podium levels for parking, and 13 residential floors above. Cove Edition 3 also raises the bar for residential buildings in the area, with its impressive amenities: a rooftop swimming pool, a stylish club room, a fully equipped indoor gym, serene cabanas, a BBQ area, a rooftop lounge for gatherings, a dedicated kids pool, and EV charging stations for electric vehicles. As of now, there is no other building in the Dubai land residence complex that even comes close to the level of amenities and design offered by Cove Edition 3. Let's take a look at the show apartment from one of the projects by Imtiaz. While the colors and tones can be different in Cove Edition 3, this gives us a clear sense of the quality and attention to details Imtiaz will deliver. Every apartment will include a kitchen island, ample storage, and fully fitted appliances by Bosch, such as an oven, dishwasher, refrigerator, and washing machine. What sets these apartments apart is that they come fully furnished, not just with essential furniture like beds, sofas, chairs, tables, and TVs, but also with finishing elements you see here. This includes mirrors, painted walls, decorative wall features, and chandeliers. The guest bathroom and master bedroom are equipped with high-quality fixtures and have a nice modern design. Additionally, some apartments will include a private jacuzzi on the balcony. Now, let's talk about pricing. The starting price for a studio apartment is $162,000. If you're looking for something bigger, a 1-bedroom apartment priced at $243,000, and 2-bedroom apartment is available for $340,000. Later in this video, I'll break down whether these prices are competitive and share tips on how you might get discount. So now that you've seen what Cove Edition 3 by Imtiaz has to offer, the big question remains: should you consider investing, or is it better to wait for the next opportunity? To help you decide, I'll walk you through 7 key factors, starting with the historical performance of similar properties in Dubai. Let's take a closer look at how the area has been developing. The graph on your screen shows historical price growth. The blue line represents the average price increase across Dubai, while the red line tracks growth specifically in Dubai land. It's clear, apartments in Dubai land have significantly outperformed the average growth in Dubai. Since 2021, apartment prices in Dubai have risen by 55%, but in Dubai land, prices have surged by an impressive 80%. It makes sense, as the area is super new and is now rapidly growing from the low base. And we believe this trend is likely to continue. 2 reasons why. First, there is active development in the area by well-known developers like Bengati, Samana, Imtiaz, and the Aldar in the neighboring communities. This will grow the general level of Dubai land. Second, the government is heavily investing in infrastructure here. By 2029, a metro line is expected to be nearby, improving connectivity and boosting the area's attractiveness even further. Alright, we've established that the area is performing well, but now let's address another key question: is Imtiaz a reliable developer? Imtiaz was founded in 1993, starting as a construction company. Over time, they expanded internationally as contractors, and since 2015 have positioned themselves as an independent developer. In this role, they've earned a strong reputation for delivering high-quality buildings on time. First, their projects always feature fully fitted, fully furnished, and fully designed apartments, making them ready to move in or rent out immediately. Second, they are contractors themselves. so they oversee every stage of the development process with great attention to detail. Their first project in Dubai, Westwood in Al Forjan, showcases these qualities. And like all their developments, it includes fully furnished and well-designed apartments. Thanks to this level of quality, rental prices at Westwood are about 40% higher than the average in the area. As of now, Imtiaz has around 13 projects in various stages of development across different areas in Dubai. Just to be clear, we are not affiliated with Imtiaz or any other developer in the UAE. Our guidance is completely unbiased and aimed to helping clients maximizing their returns, making data-driven investment decisions. We offer custom property selection, detailed cost breakdowns, revenue forecasting, and full guidance through the purchase process. Essentially, we handle everything end-to-end, and we do it all absolutely for free. Call us, WhatsApp us, scan the QR code, or click the link below the video to get a free consultation with our team. Now that we've covered Imtiaz reliability, let's evaluate whether the prices for Cove Edition 3 are competitive. Currently, no buildings in the Dubai Land Residence Complex can compete with Imtiaz in terms of quality. So for reference, we'll compare it with another off-plan project in the area, Ibiza by Samana. It is located in Dubai Land as well and offers decent amenities such as an outdoor cinema, steam and sauna facilities, a jogging track, and other basic features. The average price per square foot in Ibiza is currently $432, while Cove Edition is priced slightly lower at $423 per square foot. This is a competitive rate, especially considering that Imtiaz is a higher class developer. The building quality is really good, and the apartments come fully furnished and designed. Because of these factors, Cove Edition offers strong potential for asset value appreciation. If you're looking for an even better deal, Imtiaz has a discount system based on the down payment amount. A 5% discount for 50% down payment and a 10% discount for paying 100% upfront. As for the payment plans, Cove Edition provides two options. 50-50 structure. You pay 50% during construction with a 20% initial down payment and the remaining 50% at the handover by the end of 2026. And 70-30 structure. You pay 70% during construction and the remaining 30% over 3 years after handover. Keep in mind that this option is about 4 to 5% more expensive. Now let's talk about operating costs, which are always important to consider. Service charges for Cove Edition 3 are expected to be around $4 per square foot. It practically means that a studio apartment would have an annual fee of approximately $1,551. A one-bedroom apartment owner would pay about $3,005 in yearly service charges. These rates are fairly standard for properties of this type and class in Dubai. Now that we've discussed costs, let's get to potential rental income. Currently, in Dubai Land, studios and one-bedroom apartments are rented between $9.7 and $13.7 thousand per year. However, in a similar setup, Imtiaz property showed a 40% higher rental rate than the area average. Based on this, we estimate that rental income for Cove Edition 3 will range between $13,000 and $19,000 per year. This offers a rent-to-price ratio of approximately 7.9 to 8.4%. And if you take an advantage of the available discounts, this could increase to up to 9.3%. These figures are conservative, as the community is still in its early stages. And of course, rental demand is likely to grow as the area develops further. So, what could fuel future growth for Cove Edition 3? First, Dubai Land is in its early stages of development. Area grows, and the early investors are likely to benefit from increasing demand and rising property values. Second, the upcoming metro line will significantly enhance connectivity, making the area more accessible and attractive to residents and investors alike. Third, high-quality construction and finishes. Imtiaz has quite high standards in building, furnishing, and finishing. At the same time, prices remain relatively affordable. Fourth, proximity to universities. There are over 50,000 students around the area, so there is a strong potential for consistent demand. Now let's talk about a couple of potential risks. While they are minor, it's important to be upfront about them. First, there is the possibility of delays in the completion of the key infrastructure, such as metro line. This could temporarily impact the convenience for residents and the overall attractiveness of the community. Second risk is that the community will not be fully developed with additional buildings soon enough. If this happens, the area could feel a bit more empty until more residents and businesses move in. These are worth considering, but they are fairly common for the early stages of the large-scale projects like this one. So, should you invest? Cove Edition 3 is a good opportunity for both investors and those who want to live in this area. At this stage, the prices are competitive. The conditions for future growth look promising, and the potential rent-to-price ratio is also great. For residents, this project provides access to high-quality apartments at an affordable price, making it a great value option in this area. So which units should you choose? While all layouts in this project are well designed, the 2-bedroom units truly stand out. There are only 26 available out of 234 total units, so this limited supply will make them more unique when it comes to reselling or renting out, potentially boosting their long-term value. So, reach out to us and secure a great unit in Cove Edition, or get any kind of help with real estate investment in UAE. And if you want to learn more about investing in Dubai properties, you should check out this video.